Hi everybody, this is Limbix. It's been a while since I've made my last video and I didn't really have anything new to share with you. It was not easy to find anything decent in the last 2 months because it has been very quiet on the market, and normally the best business opportunities pop up in February, March. And one of them is Nexus Global that I would like to talk about in this video. And just today I had a call with the CEO of Nexus Global, and in this video I would like to summarize everything he was sharing with me and my team. So Nexus Global is basically a company that would consist of 8 different businesses, and their core business is mining. So as we speak, and today is March the 5th, they are building up capacity, mining capacity in China. So that's what they told us. So they're building up farms basically that customers can visit, and they want to have hash rate being available right at the start of the project, and it will start in 5 to 10 days from now. And again, today is the 5th of March, so by the time you watch that video, it probably has started already. And they will be using 2 different technologies, 2 different type of miners. So one being GPU and one ASIC. So they will be able to mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, and I think he also mentioned Dash. So depending on the current difficulty and the price of the currency, they will be switching back and forth between the different cryptocurrencies. Um, so there will be different mining contracts available, and this is the list of all the mining contracts they will be offering. So they will segment the market, so basically the world, in 3 different business areas, let's say 3 different segments, 1, 2, and 3. And so the price, or let's say the entry level for every package, will really depend on the market where you're in. So the wealthy countries, like most of the European countries or North America, they will have a higher entry level than developing countries, like in Africa or South America, for example. So if you look at the starter package, so if you are in Europe, your entry level will be 100, and if you are, let's say, in Africa, your entry level will be 25. So it's really market tailored. So depending on the purchasing power of your country, you will be able to choose your type of contracts. So every contract will be running for 2 years. So the investment period is 2 years, and depending on the hash rate and the current currency price, the break-even point will be at 8 to 9 months. And that really depends on the package you will buy, because with every package you buy a different hash rate. And again, cryptocurrency prices will also have an influence on the break-even point. But you will be basically able to more than double your income or your investment in 2 years. Yeah, they will be using binary system as an affiliate system. So if you refer people, you will get 10% direct bonus. So basically 10% from your first line, from your direct partners, and you will be able to earn binary bonus of 10%, and that goes to infinite levels, and it will be paid based on the weaker leg. And if you are familiar with the binary system, you will know that it really makes sense to have a strong sponsor. So you will get spillover from him to your left team, let's say, and you will put your own team on the right leg. And if you have, let's say, $6,000 in your left team and 5,000 in your right team, your binary bonus will be paid based on $5,000, which is your weaker leg, and that will be 10%. and the binary bonus is capped at $35,000 per week. So that's the only bonus that is capped. All other bonuses that I will describe in a few moments are not capped. So there's no limit. So yeah, the other seven businesses, I call them complementary businesses, are so one is crypto casino, and I've never seen a crypto casino in my life, so I'm really excited to see how this will look like. They will be offering binary options, online betting on crypto. This is also something new that I've never heard before, and then forex trading and crypto trading, and both automated. So obviously there will be some trading robots that will assist with trading, and then ICOs and IPOs. And one of the first two ICOs will be ESports.com and Coined. So those are two pretty decent ICOs. And you probably know that 95% of all ICOs are scam, and they will be offering tested and validated and verified ICOs only. And yeah, if you refer people to those ICOs, you'll be able to earn commissions, and I will discuss that in a minute. So, and you will be also be able to earn from exchange. So they will have their own exchange where you can um, exchange from fiat currency to cryptocurrency and back. So those are the seven business areas that they will be focusing on, additionally to mining. And those seven businesses, they will follow a different referral system. So that would be a uni-level system. It will have 8 levels, and you will see those different levels with the different commissions. So from your first level partners, you will get 2%, from your second level 1%, and so on. There will be a matching bonus, and the matching bonus is not easy to understand for everyone, but it's probably the biggest profit opportunity, because if you build your structure right, and everything is matching like the name says, you will be earning huge commissions. So in basic terms, it's just if you have 10 partners in your first line, and every one of those 10 will have another 10, and then every one of those 100 will have another 10. So if it all matches, and all the levels are built in the right way, you can earn huge bonuses. There will be a career bonus. I don't know how it will look like, and the CEO didn't really explain, but I will get you some details once available. But there will be different career ranks. I think 8 in total or something, and there will be career bonuses. There will be cash bonuses, car bonuses, I don't know, trips, all that kind of stuff, like in a really MLM business. So some of the things I noted down here that are really differentiating from other companies. So it's really about transparency. And the CEO is Christian Michael Scheibener, and that's the guy I had a call with today. So he has quite some experience in the MLM business, and that's his second mining company that he is building. He was one of the founders of Omnia Mining. You might have heard about it. It launched last year, I believe, in August. So, and he is holding webinars. He will be hosting events, so you will be able to meet him. And the company is registered in Hong Kong, and the way he explained that was it's the easiest. It has the easiest tax regulation across the globe, so that's why Hong Kong. And they will be having offices in Germany, in Stuttgart. In fact, he said there are already 3 people working there. in Sofia in Bulgaria, and also Manila, Philippines. So those will be the 3 offices. They are already building up. I think he said there will be more. You can visit the farm in agreement with the company if you make an appointment, book your trip. And he said 25 people can visit the farm at once, and it has some regulation reasons, something like this. But yeah, it can be arranged. And then a kickoff event will take place in Frankfurt in Germany on the 27th of March that I will try to attend. And then the homepage will be available in 17 languages, and they will be adding, yeah, from my perspective, very exotic languages, South Korean, Chinese. Well, it's not exotic really, but a lot of Asian languages, also Vietnamese. They will be having a call center in that will be supporting people in multiple languages. And one very interesting part is not only they will accept cryptocurrency and fiat currency, they will also be accepting credit cards. Yeah. So, and yeah, the credit card payment is capped at 600 euro. And the reason for that is there is this chargeback function that many people misuse, you know, especially from Eastern European markets or South East Asian markets. They would be misusing that chargeback function, claiming that they didn't receive any services or any products for their money, and they can basically charge back or get back the money. So to reduce the risk, Nexus has capped or limited that credit card payment at 600 euro, but you can earn trust points. So the longer you are with the company, the more trust points you get, and the more you can pay, or the bigger amounts you can pay with credit cards. All right, yeah, 7 reasons to work with Nexus. So they claim to offer 30% higher income on mining than competitive companies. Well, Visa and MasterCard I mentioned already. It's very transparent and legit. That's what they claim. Yeah, the call center I mentioned, technical support in 17 languages. And yeah, you can start as low as $25. So yeah, and that's all I know for the moment about the company. I will be making more videos once I get access to the back office, and I will also continue my due diligence and try to find out more. And I will, yeah, I will discuss it in one of my next videos. All right, yeah, thanks for your attention, and happy earnings.